How to stop getting kicked out of the Roblox games. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the problem of getting kicked out of your Roblox game and stop it. So now let's get started. So if you're on your mobile device, you need to update your Roblox app. Simply uninstall and install it on your mobile device, which is very simple. But in the case if you're using your desktop version, you need to also follow the same steps. But for that, you need to go ahead and search for add or remove programs in your computer. From here, simply scroll down and search for Roblox application, and once you find it, tap on it and then tap on uninstall and again tap on uninstall to confirm your decision. And after you've successfully uninstalled the entire app, you need to go ahead and go to the Roblox website, click on any game that you'd like to play, and the Roblox will start installing automatically. So another thing you can do is go to your browser settings. For that, tap on the three dots in the top, then go to settings. Now go to privacy and security. Tap on delete browsing data, set the time range, and check the box of cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, tap on delete data, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Now go to your Roblox page, refresh it, and play the game. So that's all you have to do. I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.